Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing really well. My name is Siddhant Mehta and welcome you all to the introductory video of Toofan batch. Toofan batch is a revision batch for Set D paper number 3, that is Entrepreneurship and Startup Ecosystem. In this batch, you will get our ultimate last minute notes which has been prepared by compiling your huge model of 300 pages in just 65 pages. With this, you will also get our free revision lectures, and with the help of these two things, you will be surely be able to clear your exams in least time possible. Now you might have one question: how can we be so sure about it, right? Because we have done it in Set C valuation, where in the last week itself we have concluded our Set C valuation revision batch, and within a month we have 150 plus students enrolled for these last minute notes. And with the help of these notes and revision lectures, students are able to clear their exams in a record time. The highest score in SETC valuation from our academy is about 80 marks, and that guy has prepared with our notes and revision lectures. Majority of the students are able to score 60 plus marks with the help of these things. So the way we have made Set C very easy and interesting for you guys, in the same way we are going to make Set D very easy and interesting for you. If you want to know more about Set C evaluation, you can definitely check out this video where you will understand how you will get notes, how the revision batch is conducted, and how the syllabus of evaluation is similar with your CA final curriculum. So if you want to clear your Set C in the least time possible, definitely check out this video. The notes and revision lectures is at free of cost. Now coming back to this video. This video is for those students who have already chosen this subject. Definitely you can watch it. Second student is the one who is confused. उसको समझ नहीं रहा है कि 4 पेपर में से मैं कौन सा एक सब्जेक्ट चूज करूं. तो आप भी ये डेफिनेटली वीडियो देख सकते हैं कि आपको अगर समझना है कि पेपर नंबर 3 कैसा है, इजी है, इंटरेस्टिंग है, आप ये वीडियो देख सकते हैं. And then the third one who has already chosen one subject but who is feeling like, okay, this subject has a lot of tricky terms, very much difficult to understand, and if you want to switch to one subject which is easy and interesting, then you can also definitely watch this video. In paper number 3, there are total 9 chapters. We will understand what all content we are going to learn in these 9 chapters, and also I will walk you through my notes. So the first chapter is about introduction. Here we will understand the meaning of entrepreneurship and the meaning of startup. Then we will understand the industrial revolution, types of entrepreneur, the key strategies for succession planning, and some basic things regarding entrepreneurship like skill sets and all. And in startup we will understand the registration and benefits for startups once they register in DPIIT, what is the eligibility criteria for registration, and some government initiatives which will help startup to grow. So here in our last minute notes, we have taken student feedback and understand what all questions ICAI is asking in exam, and based upon that we have highlighted it as MCQ or important. So whenever you are going through this information, you have to pay more attention. And if you want to compare module with our last minute notes, here in module you can see the information has been presented in a much lengthier format, by which it is very much time consuming. Also you have to identify the key points and then you have to retain it, so it is very difficult. But in last minute notes we have understand all this content and we have bifurcated it in the form of table, जिससे आपको वो चीज़ पढ़ना बहुत ही ईजी होगा. जैसे कि अभी आपको फर्स्ट रिवॉल्यूशन के बारे में जानना है, आप देख सकते हो वो टेबल फॉर्मेट में कितना ईजी होता है. If you want to understand first revolution, okay, what was the period for it, then what change happened in first revolution, how it happened, what were the impact from these changes. So you can see, if you want to understand about the first revolution in the form of this table, it will be very easy for you. Also it will be very easy for you to retain this information because it has been presented in a point wise manner. This is how last minute notes will make your life a little bit easier. So in this chapter we will understand industrial revolution, then types of entrepreneurship, then few things regarding the skill sets which is required in entrepreneur, and key strategies for smooth succession planning. In part B we will understand the advantages of DPIIT registration, that is for startups, and the eligibility criteria, and also government initiatives. This is your chapter number 1, which is a basic one about the introduction of entrepreneurship and startup. In chapter number 2 we will understand about business model. That means what are general business model like B2B, B2C, what are modern business model. Here we will also understand how to analyze these business model, and then we will understand some few terms like lean startups, value proposition, and different types of business pitching. Here we will not just understand this information, we will also relate this information with real life examples, by which it will be very easy for you to understand all these things. This is your chapter number 2 about business model. In chapter number 3, we will understand that if a startup wants to successfully develop a product, what is a journey for it. The very first thing they will do is to build a smallest version of their product, that is minimum viable product. They will check whether this product is able to meet the customer's demand, that is product market fit. Here we will also take some real life examples to understand the journey of these companies by developing a minimum viable product and to achieving a product market fit. Here we will also understand about prototype and some critical success elements for successful product development. So everything regarding product development we will understand in chapter number 3. In chapter number 4, we will understand how to pitch the idea to the investors or to the customers. So here we will understand about the business plan which should be ready with entrepreneur for pitching to the investor. Then how to prepare your PPT, that is pitch deck. Then how you should present your pitch, that is elevator pitch. And if you're presenting your pitch to the customers, if you're presenting it to the investors, what all things it should cover. So all the things regarding pitching your idea will be covered in chapter number 4. Then comes your chapter number 5. Here we will understand about the institutions which support startup to grow, like what all government institutions are there to support startup, how they support startup, what all external association and angel networks are there which help startup in funding, rather than giving some mentorship advice or arranging some networking events. How all these things help startups to grow, we will understand it in chapter number 5. Then comes your chapter number 6, which is about funding and valuation. Here we will understand for what all areas startup usually take the funding. We'll understand about the seed capital. We'll also understand what all things are important in financial model, like revenue, cash flow, how to approach investors we will understand in this chapter, and some few basic things regarding funding like term sheet, investor agreement, all such things regarding funding and valuation we will understand in chapter number 6. Then comes your chapter number 7, which is legal considerations for startup. If you are opening your business in the form of sole proprietorship, then what will be benefit for it and what are limitations for it. If you are opening a partnership firm, then what will be the benefit or what will be limitations. All these things we will understand in chapter number 7. Then if you are splitting your equity, then what all things you have to consider before splitting your equity, what all benefits are there if you split your equity. We will understand this in this chapter. Then we will understand ESOP planning and co-founder agreement, and if you have to apply for intellectual property, how you can apply for it. All such things regarding legal consideration and on all legal part we will understand in chapter number 7. Then comes your chapter number 8 and chapter number 9, which are of incubators and accelerators. Here we will understand what do we mean by incubators and accelerators, what are the difference in these two terms, and then we will take some real life examples of incubators and accelerators. And chapter number 9 is about miscellaneous, where we will take some successful stories of startup like Physics Wala, Lenskart, Boat, all such things we will discuss in chapter number 9. So this is the journey of our Toofan batch, and if you choose this subject, definitely there will be a value addition to you in the terms of knowledge of startup, because here we are not only going to understand these terms, we are also going to relate it with real life examples which will make this journey very interesting for you guys. All the terms which we have seen in these 9 chapters are very much easy, and by having practical examples for it, it makes very interesting to learn these chapters and to learn these concepts. Also, with the help of last minute notes, you can able to revise all these things in just 65 pages, where we have presented the information in a very effective manner. And with the help of revision lectures, you will be able to have a conceptual clarity in all these 9 chapters. So now let's understand what all things you are going to get in this Toofan batch. The very first thing is free revision lectures. It will be available on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. The batch is going to start from next week. Then you will get a free question bank, and it will be available on our Telegram channel. So make sure you also join our Telegram channel. Then majority of the batch will be conducted in English. So for the students who are from South, definitely you don't have to worry at all. The majority of the batch will be conducted in English. And then about the last minute notes, let's discuss about last minute notes. So here for last minute notes, you will be having 2 options. If you want to take soft copy, you can take soft copy, but this will be in a view only mode, or you can take hard copy, which can be either in black and white color, or you can take colorful notes. Here in soft copy, which is only in view only mode, you will be given an access in OneDrive. This access will be only be there with you for 30 days. This access, in this access, you will be only view the PDF. You will not be able to download it, nor you will be able to share it. You can get this access through your Gmail account also. And if you want to buy this soft copy access, then you can take it in just 199 rupees. And if you want to take hard copy, then both the options are available with you, black and white notes or colorful notes. Whichever you choose, it will be delivered to you within 3 to 5 days. If you are in Maharashtra, then it will be delivered to you within 3 days. If you're outside Maharashtra, then it will be delivered to you within 5 days. And the price for the hard copy will start from 299 plus delivery charges. But wait, there is one offer, and this offer is only for first 50 students. This is an early bird discount which will be available for only first 50 students, where you will get a soft copy which will be in view only mode at 99 rupees, and hard copy either in black and white or color. The price will start from 149 plus delivery charges. This offer is only for first 50 students, so make sure you share this video with your friend and get the benefit of this early bird discount. If you buy your copies now, then the access will be given to you on Monday, and if you buy the hard copy, then the notes will be dispatched on Monday. Make sure you buy these notes as early as possible. So how you will place this order? There will be two separate forms. If you want to buy hard copy, there will be a separate form for it. And if you want to buy a soft copy, which will be view only mode, there will be a separate form for it. We have bifurcated it so that there should be no confusion at all. I will also walk you through these forms. So this will be a form for soft copy view only. It will be have a title of soft copy view only if you want to take soft copy access for 30 days. So here you have to give your information regarding your name, email address on which we will provide you the access. Gmail account is also sufficient. There is no specific requirement of Microsoft account only. On Gmail account also we will provide you. On Gmail account also we can provide you the access. Here you will give the information of your city, state, SPOM attempt, CA final attempt, and your reference. Here you have to make the payment of 99 rupees, which is at reduced amount at early bird discount. Make the payment. Attach the screenshot. We will cross verify the payment. If the payment is right and there is no discrepancy, then we will give you the access. Here you have to attach your payment and then you have to submit this form. The second form is about the hard copy. यहाँ पे आपको आपका नाम देना है, आपका email address देना है, form attempt, CA final attempt, and then you have to give your WhatsApp phone number, because delivery guy will contact you at this number and all the details regarding your delivery we will provide it to you on your WhatsApp. So make sure this number is correct. Then give us a full delivery address by which there is not any inconvenience to find your location through by the delivery guy, and you will get your notes as quickly as possible. Then your pin code, state, and then you will have three options here. If you want to take black and white notes and your delivery is within Maharashtra, then there is a separate rate. If it's outside Maharashtra, then it's separate rate, and for color notes there is a separate rate. Whichever you want to choose that rate. Scan this QR code, make the payment, and then tick it here that the payment which is reflecting here, I have made that payment, and attach your screenshot. We will check it. If everything is smooth and there is no discrepancy, we will dispatch the hard copy for you guys. So this is the way. This is how you have to place your order. And if you have not used OneDrive, there is nothing to worry about. We will also share one video with you where we will tell you how to access your notes through OneDrive. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because the batch is going to start from the very next week, and we have 2 Telegram channels. Join both of the one, because in the first one we give all the updates regarding our end, regarding notes, regarding batches, all the updates regarding our end we will give in Mehta's Professional Academy. And in second group is a private group of our students, where we discuss all the feedbacks from the students regarding the questions asked by the ICAI, and we post it here. So also here you can ask your queries also. So make sure you join both this group and be prepared, because Toofan batch is going to get started. See you in the Toofan batch. Tata, bye bye.